We recently opened an account with ClickBank. I'm logging into it right now. ClickBank's one of the biggest internet retailers in the world, with over 200 million customers and growing. Look at these dates here. At this point, the account was inactive, so that's why it shows no money. But on this day here, we pull the trigger. Look at how fast we're racking up cash. $1,883 in a day, $2,205 in a day, $3,323 in a day. That's almost $20,000 in only 11 days. Here's another account I want to show you. Look here. This is how much cash we're racking up in a week. Look at how much money we make in a day. It's shockingly consistent money, day in, day out. Take a look at how much money we make in a month. By the way, we've been making money online for the last 9 years. Let me show you an older account. Here are our weekly paychecks. Most people don't even make this in a year, never mind a week. I'm not showing you this confidential information to brag, but to prove to you that we know the secret to racking up fast stacks of cash from the internet, day in, day out. So you can trust me when I say I'm 100% confident that you could make money too. You could make a consistent income every day from the comfort of your own home.